Okay, so the puppies popped their pool, and now they're about to be little escapees. Hi, Lacey. Here they come. Holly Jolly. Come on, here they come. Holly Jollies. Come on, you can do it. They're so used to being inside there. They don't know what to do. Here comes Holly. She's always first at everything. Holly. Oh, I can't do it, Mama. Y'all quit chewing on the pool. Bad babies. Ooh, they're bad. Look at those bad babies chewing on that pool. Hi, Mama. Oh, I bet that'll get them out. Here they come. Come on. Come on, Joey. Come on. Lacey, stop. Oh, there they go. Look, we don't know what to do, Mama. We don't know what to do. It's alright, you little booger boos. They'll be going home in a few days.